going on, my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. Today, honey, we are going virtual with a clean glam look for school and work. I have a couple of meetings that I had to attend to, baby, and I did this quick clean look for my virtual meeting. And if you want to see how I created this look, make sure you guys keep on watching. For those that are new, hey, what is going on, my boo? Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and that notification bell button because you do not want to miss my upcoming videos. So, boo, without any further ado, we're not going to do too much ranting and raving, and we're going to jump right into this look. Let me fix myself. So I got my daughter little thing on. She went ahead and nerve to be like, Mom, you have that, that's mine. I was like, sis, excuse me, sis. You being rude, miss. What's mine is yours. What's yours is mine. As long as I'm paying for everything up in here, I can take whatever I want. That's what I wanted to really say to her. Okay. All right, so let's jump right into this look. I've already popped my little eyebrows on. Now we're going to be jumping right into priming the face. I already moisturized my face because I just washed my face or whatever with my little routine. So we're going to be starting off with what has been my fave, and this is the Fenty Beauty Primer Pro Filter. This right here, and I love putting this all over my face. Priming my face really, really good. So guys, I had went and got me some new foundation. I had got me the Lauder new long wear foundation. So we're going to be jumping into that, taking a little bit on my hand. When I used this last night for my photo shoot, right, I had used it with a beauty blender. I will never use any foundation with a beauty blender again. I call myself trying to be all cute and was a hot mess. Number one, it sucks up all your foundation. Like, I want all $47 or $50. I forgot how much I paid for this, but I want all my money worth on my foundation. Like, no. I haven't used my NYX foundation brush in a while. I've been using like the little flat brush, but I'm going to use this. See, I like that better. Okay. Looks like it's matching my skin. At first, I was a little worried about it being a little dark, but it actually looks pretty good. Like, all right, so now really quick, we're going to be jumping into the dark deep MAC, and I'm still going to do this because this is something that I always do. Even though I love this foundation, still want to make sure we set it with a powder. Okay. So for concealer, we're going to just be using the Pro Filter concealer in the color 420. I really like this concealer too. Like, this concealer is really good. So did you guys see the Brandy versus? Like, did y'all see it? Did y'all see it? Listen, when I tell you, I love Brandy. Brandy has been inspiration to me ever since I was a little girl. So I love Monica too, but I am team Brandy to be, you know, really thorough. I am team Brandy, but both of them did really good. You know, like, it was a couple of songs I didn't know of Monica's, like Stupid Hoe. I never heard Stupid Hoe before. When I was around that age, I wasn't calling nobody really stupid hoe. I was like, I've been thinking about the way you touch me. I was on that type of time. I was on the time of whoever thought of God on a girl like me. Okay, you know, she was like, her main fans know that. Then if you was a main fan, if you knew that was something that I didn't know. But overall, like, I just love the fact that they was together, you know what I mean? Like, it was just so good. Oh, I like the way this concealer is laying on this foundation. Really good. Like, don't stop till you get enough. Keep on. Hey, with the 4 stars, like, don't listen. Okay, I see you. I don't know why I see you. We're going to be jumping into bacon. I'm going to be using today the Fenty Beauty in the color Honey, but it had me like, honey. I think I might be going back to braids, Stacy, cause braids, Stacy, she was something else. Okay, let me know, who was your favorite, Monica or Brandy? Brandy, she's my first favorite. I can't even deny it. All right, so now since we have that, there you go. I'm gonna be jumping into the cream contour by Fenty Beauty, and this is in the color chocolate. Just pushes that in. I already have like a structure, so I don't have to like do all that, you know. I can just keep it right here. Shout out to my boo Charlie, she taught me that. I always put some under my chin though. I don't know why I always do this. So now we're gonna take some of the 3-step sculpt and we're gonna tap into that and just set that. I love this foundation. I feel like a foundation to me is like a canvas paint. So I feel like the better your foundation is, the better everything that lays over top of your foundation is like so much better. And I just really like the way this is coming out. Hope it's coming out that good, this good on camera. Because if we coming out good like this on camera, then we set for real. Yeah. And I'm always, for some reason, going into my mineral and like touching up stuff. This is kind of close to my color of my skin, but not so much. So I do not like that hard line. I be like, ooh, girl, you is sharp. You know, cause like sometimes that can give you like a whole, honey, no. We don't want no harsh lines. So now since we have that down, I'm going to contour my nose, and this is my favorite stick, the Wonder Stick by NYX. And I just take this stick and contour my nose just like that. Then I just take a blending brush. I love to take any type of blending brush and I just lightly, like I'm blending it, like pushing it in. I'm not too much like swiping, I'm just pushing it into my skin. Just like that. Yeah, I like my nose shape though. I just like to do this because it gives my nose a little bit nice of a structure. And then I take a little bit of the NYX, the brown, and I usually shadow it right here. Dust this off. Just like that. I don't know, but for some reason I'm always doing my lids last. So I'm just going to cover my lids just like this with the same color I use. I like to use the same color as my skin as close as possible. Take a beauty blender and just go over it just like that. Just to cancel out anything that needs to be canceled. Then I'm going to jump right back into my mineral skin finish. And I'm just going to take a brush and cover everything. I'm always waiting to the end, like when I'm done my foundation, to say, oh, I want to do a wing. So I'm going to do a wing, but I'm going to put some tape under here real quick. So let me just run past this real quick. I'm going to be prepping with the eyelid mascara really quick. And while I let that dry, I'm just going to focus real quick on my under eye and just use this black LA color pencil. I'm going to be jumping into this Morphe lip, and it's a brown. It's called Trendsetter. All right, I'm gonna keep it all Morphe today. So I'm gonna also be jumping into their lip. And this is the color Boo. Hey, Boo. So now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into the Morphe lip gloss. And this is in the color Chill. Chill, Boo. Got it right on my lips. Chill, Boo. So I'm going to be jumping into my fave palette that has been my fave, and this is the Bperfects Carnival palette. I am in love with this highlighter. I've been using it, this one right here, and it is called Gold Luxe. Yes, this color right here. So when I first used this, I didn't spray, but today I'm gonna spray some setting spray and see how it appears with setting spray. So yeah, I really like this. Oh yeah. This one get litty. Let's see how we get lits on these cheeks, okay? Ooh. Ooh. Yes, honey. Okay. Okay. Baby, pop that my cheek and make it glow. Never know. Okay. Ooh, she said. I'm glowing so good. I think I'm gonna do a little teeny bit of my little sweet cheeks. Y'all know this is my fave little. I don't know why I can't get enough, but I cannot get enough of the sweet cheeks. So we going there, sweet cheeks. Giving it like a little soft tap. You know what I'm saying? Like. Oh, I forgot to highlight my nose. I still got some. I like to do like the sides of my nose. Take the rest of this part on here, you see? And just whatever is left. Just tap all over everything. You know? Just like that. And then we're going to take the Morphe setting spray. So my boo, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, do not forget to smash that like button and also leave me a little comment down below. Also my boo, do not forget to subscribe to this channel, baby, where you want to get all the beauty tips and a bunch of laughing, okay? So with that being said, boo, thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much. Keep God first, and I will see you, boo, in my next video. Peace.